second pen press conference along the bank. Take a pot. Now the to very low. Alarm ke banke to me dig zero. Putimi Akiman 2.0. The Putimi Akiman gave 1.0, 2.0. So center land pata distribution. Land pata, longa pata, kerona. About Penana Carbilla pen tribal satum and Otapitola Sologo. Non-tribal atum amenta in Binaman Doko. Doko Vajune, a PSLC to my reaction among non-tribal and Potabide. So controversy among Ivan. Athivanke into Chinidax game, CM Sub, Dr. Tuluram Nohan, but I think Apotakaron on the Ninja. Meeting on the 1951-52 when Kidotum, the Softan Bahaso, Kidotuma Panke, Lasidari to Chininangi, 51-52 of that. Carbiang long, along the Carbetum dead like a dupali. That non tribalism. Caprica Haidum Tado, non tribalism. Halat dadu sa percentage ka karbetum ongu national tum hamli pacidingan tum hala sudi tum first deputy chairman rekar bigali Jonathan Patro plus 10% of the karbetum do person de but tribal tum do person de take Jonathan Patro ke deputy chairman man mil. What does it mean? Upilo ka bujayda Kabuja Dama Hevanke, Halasota, 10% that tribal to make a dubali, Bakar make a dubali. Caprega Prega Kaitunda, do Lapu Bukazana side Punon, Harogata, Ele Homostia side Punon, but even Lapu West Carbiano along Punon, Capre, other than Carbi, Caprega Prega Kaitum do. That's a Hala indigenous are at home. Longia Patageti, Akejoy Penata. First time in the history of Carbiano, Autonomous Council. Joga government ake joy pen. Rather than hang paka pen, before make joy, a pata ke joy, before pen law, ha pata ke pianda ke joy pen. Labange churume me sia Fukimolong isi mane churume me sorokara kam nubusi, rather than the Kaningji. Banili tunda Ningi lebange. First time in the history of Carbiano, this kind of government laswa step kidding a banke, Kidukila Rat Pan Potagaro Manke, Labange, Churum me kam lake, Churunangitu, Marat no Churubum. As a Halaswarni center lasso land distribution, lasso land part distribution, Arni Penapi, laswa APSL to my reaction. Ona pan ba parog pata pide po banke lage chokche ajukti ka vela lage labang politically motivated kasi land pata banke ili tu si piung ko lage Carbiang long autonomous si piung ko lage Assam government chief minister sta piung ne prime minister sta piung ne lage Carbiang autonomous council si aja kongdo land laswa apu thake so aja kong banke Carbiang Autonomous Council along Sidu. So that was a long pen political alley along your pan, election paper or MLA election. So alley along your pan to misguide rather than misguide your pan, so intentional monkey, so motive of banke, like money condemnable. Like it money choke chilla monkey. Lastly, now to my India press conference pen. A patience so a patience to family, money keep one too. Banke rada pan chong thui nang nei upima ho a holam si ding nei lapen ke Carbiang long autonomous council apan ki churu se churu tu nei Adi kidu kena karena tuh si patah ke long majority tribal satu si patah ke long lo pen non tribal tuh mana inut bank non tribal tuh mana they are genuine latih hal soal sih but before that hal soal sih masih hal itu mah pan patah ke bangke mesen lo bisa niltung punai tapi rada pan langsung ke pamang gua bang langsung account bang claim mana langsung tiap men Really, so ini tuh mbak spokesperson Inggris sama orang biasa mau bilang, orang itu deh.
Kadang anda ada kimia kardong pejer lo, kacau hati yang kenal itu tak mengenai pali pot bahasa. Akhirnya soal alam bang ke mohet ini tuh my spokesperson, alang li senior, leader, alang li than pun lo. Lasi ladak isi bang ke matane ke ceng ahut latum. Karbiang long la purthimi akemang kipiceng 1.0 laso hutke latung APHLC asong ben bikheke latung duplicate pusipu ota masi duplicate latung iron ke pusing fuluni long si latung dharna doda sida pu Karbiang long autonomous council ba BJP a party laso government pen abangke ilitum akarbi atum mithang dadak air office long ke bang pen pinangan bhara pen chenglok akisung ki boydo lape ami thang apor ka dure pe na jok lahai kisung pen pata ka chulai dum thek thek pata ke long le pinangan la puson ki dua jok si asi ki du ki la gara aphan lak isi lata bikhe ke kicheng complete karbi tuman si pipon la pen la so puthak pen along tin pipen lo APHLC tum ke pachobe alam ke proof del duplicate apota bukala tum isi da proof pi thek da Lasi non ako isia appoint laso impact bangke rat atunga bang Karbiang Long Autonomous Council but Karbiang Long Autonomous Council Dr. Tuliram Rohan CM sarhan akiro ahir jume kipi bang arlo thekan latum theklo lapen non ako 2.0 hut non cheng thulo labangke ilitum ahok pe alama bangke pinangan ningje nang ni alam si APHLC a party ahin pen ningje nang ni alam ulai lapiti labang phere meme latung kopia agent ma aprang me itum kamat hadu la so ting na sila tum dambo athe istialam no non sitame je alang litum mithang mata meeting long ipudo je